Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I don't really have a lot of time being a mom to two really busy toddlers, but one thing that's really been bothering me is my feet. And even after getting pedicures and everything, they're still rough. So I was really happy when I found this Gilden Tree Callus and Cracked Heel Cream. You only need a small amount and it really absorbs into your skin. So this little bottle is going to last me quite a while, which I really like. It's 40% urea cream with shea butter and organic aloe vera. So it's really deeply hydrating, but it doesn't leave my feet feeling greasy. Like right after I use it, I can immediately get up and walk around and my feet aren't sticking to the floor or leaving greasy residue. So I really enjoyed that. I've even been able to use this on my hands to help with how dry they have been, and they are no longer cracked and they don't hurt at all, which is amazing. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to soften up your feet, I highly recommend this heel cream from Gilden Tree. It is so easy to use, it doesn't leave your feet greasy, and it works really well. I highly recommend it and I think you'll like it, but that's just my point of view.